building real-world intelligence, understanding, simulating, and acting in real time, empowering people and organizations to shape a smarter future. Runway we real-world AI. After coming into the Runway, this is artificial intelligence-based project that will give you real-time experience. There are actual two type of platform you can get on fun. Interface is about creativity. You can create like a film shot, and it can also be in the transition phase. This can also be used for AI media platform to developer can use it to make website. Even there are also machinery documentary you can easily create like robotics. Yes, all of this is going to happen here, and we will also show you workspace to make such creative work, and you can also create the motion graphics video here. And next is about the recipes. Yes, this means there are different templates that you can use to create your own video just by giving you a prompt. There are different characters you can select to upload and choose devices. You can make like podcaster or your faceless channels. You can grow with them. And here are latest Runway. This means you are on the lines gate to expand partnership. And there further if you come on the home interface, look like this. When you will come here, it's mean you are going to please your experience. We said to drop your idea. Click on the next option. It will create the best work with you. But if you want to know about what type of AI model is going to be used here, Seedance 2.5, that is the latest upcoming soon. There's ALF 2.0. There is character building Seedance ChatGPT that can build, that will create the images in a fully high resolution to make cinematic video. And we will also show you how it works. First of all, we need to create account on it as FineApp account. And for that we can use our Google. There is Apple or SSO account. I am going to continue with my Google and then an extension will be open. I will choose my email, and after the permission that we are going to sign in, successfully we click on the continue option. Finalize the account, we have to click on the create option. If you have refer account, otherwise you can easily click on the skip, and then final account will be done. You can also put here what type of content you want to create. I want to create some short video. I want to click on it just to me. I will also go ahead. I will also gear a bowl from a fence, and here you can also invite. After that, you can also upgrade your account. Every model, no watermark, 4K resolution, and there are 50 plus printer, video maker and image maker are here. So if you want to continue with free time, and next you will also come here, where you are going to give the prompt, select the AI model. There are different suggestions too, and I will also write my idea here. Here you can also check out there are some free credit that I will also use now. And if you have give the prompt here, now you can click on the quality. There is also the quality, there is course, so you can check out everything. You can also proceed, and now I'm going to clicking on the next option. We will work space. We will also enter into this one, and here you can also check out that this is a proven that there will be 20 credit will be used. I click on the next option to generate, and images being generated. After that I will show you result. Check out, here is the funnel thing. Final result is now ready. You can also add cut. Here is download option. You can add favorite these prompts what we have given, and now if you want to convert into a video, then here are all the options. You can see there are different apps like films or VFX we can use here. I won't using this, and there is also the build side, describe, frame and animate. First I'm going to give it a picture. The second scenario is about that if you have an image you can put here. If you want to animate, you can also give it the option suggesting the first frame. There's motions that you will use from the collection. And if you have upgrade your account already, then you can easily go and make these emotions. And if you have any frame that you want to convert using all of Seedance, there is also very consistency in this scenario. There is multi-shot from one frame into another one, And this is also from one UA prompt. Then all of these looks like very smooth and in a high quality, so that's why you can also use a more short video. The results are Gen 4.5 AI tool that will give you like a movie scene. And even if you want more realistic video, then you can easily come here with the Kling 2.0. And this is the Runway where you can create your best quality video for your engagement and what content that you can easily use here. But if you want, I'll combine that is possible, like trade and I'll for your bed act, ball deep, ball or bat, fikir van. So here, let's see how it is going to create, and then it will also generation will be shown here. So it is being done after calculating and thinking toss what type of our ad should be. The funnel thing will be shown here. Here is the funnel thing I'm going to continue. And after that, you can also check out all these data I have just provided now. And format will be decided. There will be copy draft. And thinking toss, just we have to wait and click on the approve button. And then funnel thing is ready for the bounce. And we can also create now add into the animated size. But this required some prediction, as I'm also going to using it in a free time. So here are just credit that I am going to approve. And other one is going to create like multi-scenario, multi-shots from one side and other side and so on. Now you can check out. There is also another one with first bad day scenario where computer is going to play the cricket. Third one is also about the funnel shot. So in this way, it is working. And if you want to add or edit in the concept that this is also possible to customize your video, your curves. And now you can also use this image and download it, and then you will convert into a video. This is possible. It is also curves. If you want to drop your video, there is also some likes editing tone. Like here I'm going to adding this one. There is also another one. If I'm going to choosing it, then it will bring into the gallery where we have now edit section. There you can also go. There is build option too. If you want to download, you want to customize, you want to add, everything is possible. So start your next level experience here with such platform that is going to offer you workflow, image scenarios, based videos. So if you have any question or query, you can ask and come for enjoyment, because this is possible when you are coming on your interface and there are multiple scenarios that you can see. For your videos, for your scene building, everything is in your hand in one click. Thanks for watching. I'll catch an effort till and goodbye.